Hello, I am ManoolKay. Valentine's Day is coming soon, which means that I do the appropriate makeup. I have several variants, but the rest you will see on my Instagram. So, I already have a tone, concealer, eyebrows and curled eyelashes. I remove my hair so it does not interfere and moisturize my lips. Before starting to shoot the video, my lip burst. I'll start with the contouring. Otherwise my face is not what I need. I lighten nasolabial folds and duplicate contouring with shadows. Guess what palette? Right, from James Charles's palette. I cover my eyelids with pastel pink shades, which will serve as a feather, neon pink, and then deepen the color with purple pink. I draw hearts on my eyes with a white corrector and fill it with shiny blue shadows. I draw the wings. Eyeliner pens, not for me, so I draw arrows with liquid eyeliner. Now I haven't been with them for so long. I darken the lower outer corner of the eye with purple shadows too, as it was dock my eyes with the arrows. I circled the hearts with the same purple shadows. I draw the inner corner of the wings. Blusher. I think you understand that this is still the same palette of James Charles. I make my mouth wider, ahaha. Now I apply shimmer shadows from the same palette as a highlighter on the cheekbones, under the eyebrow, on the chin, on the forehead, on the tip of the nose and on the nose bridge. Color my lips with pigments from James Charles's palette and apply pink glowing lip gloss on them. A little pearl powder. I paint small hearts on my cheeks and nose with acrylic paints. Yes, they washed off better than eye makeup. Aha! At first I didn't have that color for blue hearts, and then I had to draw blue hearts on top of sea-colored hearts. And I also stained with paint and pearl powder everything that could be stained.
Ready.
I paint my eyelashes with mascara and stick Val's eyelashes. Thank you all for watching. I hope you found this video useful, or at least interesting. Like, subscribe, tag me in your posts. Bye.